Okay, so now some of the things that we must be able to understand when it comes to statistics is that it is the branch of mathematics, okay, that deals with number one, collection of that data, okay, and number two, organizing the data. Number three is analyzing the data, and then number four is interpreting the data, and then number five is presenting that data. Okay, so these are the five steps that you have to understand, okay, in order for us to clearly understand what is statistics. Okay, so it is the branch of mathematics. Now, because it is a branch of mathematics, it doesn't actually mean that only mathematician should actually understand or actually learn statistics. Of course, we know that the application of statistics is almost in every sector. Now, like I mentioned in the intro, that when you're talking about statistics, then you have to understand that it is something that helps us to make sound decision, because after you collect the data, you actually organize it, okay, analyze that data so that you find some of the trends, some of the unusual things, okay, based maybe on your claim, for example. So normally, many people uses actually this subset of mathematics in different fields like medicine, businesses, and even just in education, as well as also governance policies, or rather the government making a decision. Okay, so they have to, first of all, you can't make decision minus having any data or where you're basing your decision. Okay, so you must always collect something in order for us to understand the implication of what that anything that you are trying to make up. So collection of the data, okay, you have to organize it, okay, and also you have to analyze it, okay. Every information, so collecting about that sports information, about business trends and economic information, collecting things about poverty, collecting things about agricultural performance, and every data that we collect, we must be able to actually analyze the information, analyze the data, so that we can make a sound decision. Okay. So once you understand this thing, okay, once you understand this thing, okay, now there is actually, you have to understand also what are some of the importance and the application of statistics. Now, I've just mentioned, okay, it is obvious that statistics is an applied science, okay, in almost every field of profession or careers. As a lawyer, as a scientist like myself, I'm a scientist in agriculture, particularly in fish farming. So I have to understand, okay, we collect data like the temperature of the water, the pH of the water, and also almost anything, okay, that would actually help us to grow the fish properly, and obviously to grow the fish based on the on the market, okay, what the market demands, okay. So it is actually obvious that the importance of statistics cannot actually be overemphasized. Okay, we have just seen what you can do with statistics, and also the application, like I mentioned, in medicine, in order to analyze the treatment, and obviously from what you get, be able to make informed